नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः चतुर्दशपाठस्य शब्दाः दृष्टाः, तत्र कानिचन वाक्यानि अपि कृतानि। सर्वप्रथमं तत्र मुख्यत्वेन तृतीया चतुर्थी पञ्चमी इति विचारः लभ्यते। चतुर्थी विभक्तेः उपयोगः कुत्र कुत्र भवति, तथा चतुर्थी एवं च पञ्चमी अल्सो इत्येषां तृतीया चतुर्थी पञ्चमी विभक्तीनाम् उपयोगः अस्माभिः दृष्टः, तथा साक्षात् वाक्येषु प्रयोगः अपि अस्माभिः कृतः। तद् अधुना वाक्यानि प्रति गच्छामः। इमानि वाक्यानि समाप्तानि।
हम्म, आम्।
अत्र गजस्य कर्भकः सीतया पल्लवैः, तत्र पल्लव स्प्राउट्स् इति उक्तं मया, तत् सञ्जातम्। Oh, Pallava and Palwala, they look now
Similar.
and
That's
both are liked by elephants. So
right. Right.
even Palwala and Pallava also. Hari appeases his friend by his speech.
हरिः वाण्या और वाचा मित्रं सांत्वयति।
समीचीनम्। अग्रिमं, the city is surrounded by rivers.
नद्यैः परिव्रियते नगरम्।
किं किं किं?
नद्यैः परिव्रियते नगरम्।
नद्यैः, किमर्थं नद्यैः? नद्यैः, which vibhakti is this? Which form is this?
करण।
Rivers like
करण कारकम वा?
plural.
करण. Can you decline nadi shabda?
Yeah, नदी नद्यौ नद्यः प्रथमा, नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया, नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः तृतीया, नद्यै
बस बस.
नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः।
Now you can use the word tritiya vibhakti again.
This is chaturthi vibhakti, right?
Now which one you are using?
Can we use tritiya? Nadya.
Reverse.
Yeah,
नदीभिः।
Nadibihi.
oh, nadibihi. Sorry, nadibihi.
So previous
Nadibihi.
like you are using Ramaihi, right?
Yeah, nadibihi.
Well,
Nadibihi parivriyate nagaram.
samichinam. From forgiveness, a man obtains tranquility of mind.
मानवः क्षमया
Hmm.
चित्तस्य शान्तिम् अवाप्नोति और अधिगच्छति।
अधिगच्छति, प्राप्नोति, लभते. लभते शब्द we have seen, so that would be most appropriate.
Okay, labhate. So avapnoti will not be correct here.
No, it's correct, but we haven't seen, so whatever we
Okay.
are seeing in the lessons or the book, that will be most appropriate. Okay. Wise man go to heaven from the earth.
राज्ञः पृथिव्याः स्वर्गं गच्छति।
समीचीनम्. Vasishtha comes with Arundhati.
वसिष्ठः अरुन्धत्या आगच्छति।
Arundhatya. Arundhati, now what is this?
With Arundhati, right?
With के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं हम?
के साथ। oh, saha. Sorry. Is that what or is my form correct? Incorrect?
Arundhatya sah you shall use.
Sorry, I've totally forgot about it.
Dhatya, it is going, she is going to be Karana. If you only use
Mhm.
without Arundhati, he cannot come. Arundhatya sah, along with Arundhati, he comes. That would be correction.
Mhm.
Rama gives ornaments to his daughters.
Ramah, like tasya kanyayaha alankaram pradadati or dadati.
Which vibhakti you are using now? Kanyayaha.
Like Ramayaha is a Panchami.
Now, why Panchami?
Oh, sorry, we have to use the Chaturthi.
Why Chaturthi?
Oh,
We have studied.
no, so Dvitiya, right?
Why
Dvitiya,
Dvitiya? If you
because
want to use Dvitiya, why? If you want to use Chaturthi, why? If you want to Panchami, why? I need a reason. If it is appropriate, I will accept your sentence.
So, so I use no, that's a good question. Actually, we should start
yeah,
thinking like
like a Dvitiya is the object.
that.
Oh,
Okay.
karma,
Hmm.
the karmani.
The
Or Chaturthi is for, so we can use Chaturthi.
here only we can use only Chaturthi. Why? Sampradane Chaturthi. The receiver of
Yeah.
action will be put into Chaturthi Vibhakti. Right? That is the strong नियम. द्वितीया वाला ये कर्म वाला साधारण नियम है वो.
Mhm.
No,
Exception ना वो.
actually, when sorry to interrupt, but when I do my homework,
Hmm.
I keep that chart in front of me, which case has to be. That's why I write it down Kanyayaha, just like Ramayaha.
No, but why? Chaturthi I can, Dvitiya I can understand. Panchami shouldn't come there, right?
Preparation हो जाती है पंचमी में तो.
Oh, Ramayai, Chaturthi. Oh, so Kanyayai.
So it is not
Sorry.
Kanyai again. Daughters. Rama has many daughters. This Rama is not Dasharathi Rama. This is just a person. Rama gives ornaments.
So Kanyabhyah.
कन्याभ्यः आभूषणानि अथवा अलंकारान् यच्छति अथवा ददाति, whatever. He adorns his body with garlands.
सः मालाभिः शरीरं भूषयति.
सः मालाभिः तस्य शरीरं भूषयति. The queen gets angry with her maid.
Like Mahishi Dasya Krudhyati.
Dasya. Which vibhakti is this?
Trutiya Vibhakti, by or with.
What rule says? We have studied. That's why I again brought that slide. It is not sampradhanam. She is not giving something. She is not offering anger. And anger is to be taken. There is a rule. Do you remember?
रहेगा ना, जिसके प्रति इमोशन रहेगा उसको चतुर्थी लगेगी.
So क्रुध्यति, कुप्यति, ईर्ष्यति, असूयति, दृश्यति.
Oh, Trutiya, right?
No, Chaturthi.
Oh, sorry. I didn't pay attention too much.
Okay, so what is the sentence? Mahishi Dasyai
यही क्रुध्यति और कुप्यति.
Okay.
So krud, kupya can be used interchangeably, meaning do they mean the same thing?
Both are the same. Both are the same. He derives pleasure from the old man's stories.
Oh, that's my turn. Sorry. Saha जरठस्य कथाभ्यः ह्लादयति और आह्लादयति.
Derives pleasure. Pleasure.
ह्लादयति. Hlada is pleasure, right? No?
लभते. Derives लभते. प्राप्नोति, अवाप्नोति, लभते. किम? Pleasure. Pleasure means सुखम. Okay.
So mine is incorrect.
सुखम लभते, आनंदम अधिगच्छति. Rice is cooked by Narayana's wife. Nandini.
Like Narayanasya patnya
पत्न्या भार्यया.
odanam pachati.
Now identify prayog. It is karmani, kartari.
कर्मणि ना.
कर्तरी और कर्मणि.
कर्मणि होगा ना. By
कर्मणि.
So if it is karmani, then how do you make karmani kriyapada?
3-1-1.
So main root, along with that ya vikarana, then te ite antipateya. So what form you are going to?
Pachyate.
Yes. So Narayanasya patnya ओदनम
पच्यते और तांडुलम पच्यते.
तंडुलः पुल्लिंग है ना, तो तंडुलः.
तेंदुलः पच्यते.
और तंडुलाः पच्यन्ते, whatever. By the king's command, I go to Avanti.
नृपतेः आज्ञया अवन्तीं गच्छामि.
The mother likes her children, though deformed. Now this sentence again there would be some vibhakti. Carefully how to use.
I didn't write it down, that sentence. I was confused.
Yeah, it was very confusing. I went back and forth and I have put a yellow highlight on it, so it could be wrong, but I did make one. Rupaha. That's the pleasure of being a student. क्योंकि सर के लिए problem. हम तो कुछ भी बना लेंगे.
When we use do, how can we translate in the Sanskrit do?
यद्यपि हो गया ना, यद्यपि.
यद्यपि कुरूपः.
ओ यद्यपि.
यद्यपि विरूपाः तथापि माता बालान इच्छति.
That's also fine, but likes means rochate.
रोचति.
Whenever we use rochate, there would be chaturthi vibhakti. So one who likes it, the person will be put into fourth case. So basically matre अथवा जनन्यै विरूपाः अपि बालाः रोचन्ते. बालाः बहुवचनं, बालकाः अथवा पुत्राः बहुवचनं. सो रोचन्ते. मात्रे विरूपाः अपि बालाः रोचन्ते.
विरूपाः अपि.
रुचति, रुच धातु का ये प्रयोग जरा याद रखना है. जहां कहाँ भी रुच धातु आएगा चतुर्थी ही बनाएंगे. आप जिसको पसंद है उसकी चतुर्थी बन जाए. The two warriors start from the two towns with weapons. The warrior starts from the two towns with weapons.
Warriors is Yoddha. Yuddha followed like Rama? No.
There are some words for warriors. Na yodha.
Oh,
Yodha
Yodha.
अंत शब्द. Yodhru is उकारांत शब्द.
Yodhru is
Either you can use yodha shabda which goes like Rama shabda or
so
yodhru.
Yodha. So two Yodha, two warriors means Yodha.
हाँ योधौ.
Nagarayam Shastrai Arabhatah.
Which nagara what?
Nagarat
Nagarat.
Shastraha.
With weapons.
Shastraihi.
Shastraihi. But Nagarat you made, but there is a mention the two.
Two towns. So Nagarau.
Hmm. From two towns.
Nagarat.
Yeah.
Like Yodhaihi Nagarat.
No, two towns. From
Nagarat.
town.
Nagar.
Did you get what I'm saying?
Nagarabhyam.
Correct.
Oh my God.
हाँ.
There I am today.
होता है कोई कोई नहीं होता है दीदी. आई एम समटाइम्स आई फील लाइक दैट कितना भी आप सोच लो नहीं आएगा तो नहीं आएगा उस वक्त.
सही बात है, सही बात.
ओके. योधौ नगराभ्याम शस्त्रैः सह आरभ आरभेते
आरभेते.
और प्रतिष्ठेते.
सो आई रोट योधौ
हम्म.
अस्त्रैः नगराभ्याम प्रस्थाप्यतौ.
प्रस्थापनम
Right.
would be like establish. Prasthiyate
Oh.
or but it is not karmani, so we can say pratisthate.
प्रतिष्ठते.
Pratisthete actually. There are two warriors, right? Pratisthete. Okay.
Okay, so I wrote Tataha, but I could not figure out the form of it, so I left it. Okay.
Fine. The sky is adorned by red light of the sun.
आकाशः सूर्यस्य रक्तप्रकाशेन भूषयति.
सूर्यः भूषयति.
नहीं, आकाशः भूषयति ना.
आकाशः भूषयति वा? Sky is add-on. Which prayoga is this? You have to focus on prayoga also.
Sky is adorned by the red light of the sun.
Sentence is
So Surya Dwara. So Surya is
Surya is
Tritiya Vibhakti. Sorry.
no, there is problem. She explained nicely, but a minor mistake she did. What was that? Is add-on. Identify prayoga, then make a sentence.
So sky is adorned by.
So whether it is karmani or kartari, that is the first question.
Is the Karmani.
It is karmani. So karmani prayoga should come. That's it.
So my question is, why is it Karamani?
So sky is add-on. That is add-on itself says you it is karmani.
इसका कर्तरी कैसे बना? So I'm now I am now completely following Nandini ji. I'm blank. So if the sky is adorned,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
You're saying is adorned tells us it is karmani prayoga. So
Okay.
how will I convert into kartari? What would it have to be? No, sorry. You're saying it is karmani, right? So how will this become kartari then?
I will make it. आकाशः सूर्यस्य रक्तप्रभया भुष्यते. It is कर्मणि.
ठीक
Okay.
है, हाँ.
सूर्यस्य रक्ता प्रभा आकाशं भूषयति. This is कर्तरि.
So the light of the sun adorns the sky. ये हो गया कर्तरी.
The red light of sun adorns sky. That is कर्तरि.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I
write it down same way. Akashah suryasya rakta prakashena bhushayati. That's wrong, right?
Bhushayati is wrong. She also made sentence correct
Yeah,
only.
we both.
Bhushayati, bhushyate होना चाहिए. That's it. Okay. The.
so
हाँ.
क्लैरिटी तो आया ना सर. हमको वही क्लैरिटी नहीं था कि वो कर्मणी है, वो मुझे नहीं क्लियर था. आई हैड नो आइडिया. मैं समझाने के बाद भी मुझे टाइम लगा समझने में कि है क्यों ये कर्मणी. ओके, गॉट इट.
The happiness of people is increased by arts.
जनस्य सुखम कलाभिः वर्धते.
अरे वाह, nice. Next. Men desire the acquisition of happiness from deities.
नराः देवेभ्यः सुखस्य लाभः इच्छन्ति.
Labha icchanti. Yes. An offering is made by two virgins.
Like Kumari, Kumariya.
By two virgins.
Offering is made by. So is again karmani?
It's karmani, yes.
So Kumariya offering. Offering is naivedya is okay?
Balihi.
What?
Balihi, balihi.
Balihi. So balihi offering. Bali. No, we didn't. Made is kriyate.
Kriyate. Balihi kriyate by two girls.
Balihi Kumariya kriyate.
Kumar.
Kumariya balihi kriyate.
Which vibhakti is this? Kumariya.
No, by.
Which vibhakti?
Trutiya vibhakti. Trutiya vibhakti.
That is correct. But what the sentence says? By two virgins. By two girls. How many girls are there?
Oh, so it's a Panchami, right? No, Sampradane. Sampradane, Chaturthi.
No. Whenever there is a by, Tritiya is correct. But what mistake you are making? It is dual G. It is dual.
Both. Kumari Byam. Kumari Byam.
Correct. So Kumari Bhyam is Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachan. Kumari Bhyam Balihi Kriyate.
इसमें क्वेश्चन, सॉरी, तो कुमारी भी हम बलि ही क्रियते में बलि ही रहेगा या बलिम होगा? क्योंकि वो बलि को कर्म करती है ना, बलिम क्रियते नहीं होगा.
कर्म, कर्मणि प्रयोग में कर्म की कौन सी विभक्ति होती?
सॉरी वन सॉरी.
पेन रिलीफ फ्रॉम एंजाइटी.
Oh, that's my thing, right? चिंतया क्लेशः उद्भवति.
Okay. Sita learns songs from her female friends.
Sita सखिभिः गीतानि शिक्षेत
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 what क्रियापद
like शिक्षेत
शिक्षेत
or
which lakara is this shiksheta? Which lakara you should use here? Tell me. Sita learns.
Present.
Lat lakar, lot lakar, vidhiling lakar, lang lakar.
no lat lakar.
So Sita shikshate.
शिक्षते. Oh yeah, sorry, शिक्षते.
Sita
सखिभिः
from अपादाने पंचमी होती है, लेकिन यहाँ अपादान भी नहीं है, आख्यातोपयोगे। आख्यातोपयोगे नाम यदि किसी के पास से कुछ चीज आप नियमित रूप से सीख रहे हो तो उस व्यक्ति की पंचमी विभक्ति, तो दोस गर्ल्स दोस फ्रेंड्स विल बी इन फिफ्थ विभक्ति। सखिभ्यः
सखिभ्यः सखिभ्यः
गीतानि
शिक्षते
शिक्षते, right? Yes. Soldiers come out of the town by order of the general.
योधाः सेनापतेः आदेशेन नगरात् आगच्छन्ति।
Nagarat agachanti. The children delight the heart of their fathers by their sports.
बालकाः क्रीडायाः पितुः हृदयम् आह्लादयन्ति।
Kridayaha you said, right? You are using Panchami. Can you give me appropriate reason to use Panchami? We can use Panchami. That is not a wrong sentence. But you have to give me reason why it is Panchami. Can't we use Tritiya?
Yeah, we can use Tritiya too.
Can't we use Panchami?
Kridaya.
Kridaya is fine. Even Panchami is fine. Reason, हेतु यदि देना है तृतीया भी कर सकते हैं, पंचमी तो करते ही है ना। ओके, सो तृतीया यूज करेंगे इस सेंटेंस में, सिंपल हो जाएगा। बाय स्पोर्ट क्रीडया बालकाः तेषां पितृणा तेषां पितुः रुदरम्।
I write it down Kridaya. I write it down Kridaya and I speak Kridaya.
Okay, fine.
Silly woman. Silly grandma.
No, it's fine, it's fine. He brings flower for the worship of the gods.
सः देवानां पूजायै पुष्पाणि आनयति।
A reward is given by the queen to her maid. Again, identify kriyapada. Identify prayoga.
Reward is given. So, is the karmani prayoga.
Karmani. सिंपल सेंटेंस है। बाय क्वीन क्या बनेगा?
बाय क्वीन, सो महिष्या, राइट?
महिष्या is given to whom?
Dasi.
Which vibhakti we are going to give? We are going to use
Dvitiya, dasim.
You made the same.
Same. Oh, sorry. Dasi.
Which vibhakti?
Like a 3-1-1.
That's fine. That's not here. Dasi is Mahishi is in Tritiya. Paritoshikam will be in Prathama. What about Dasi? Identify the receiver of action. Who is the
Oh,
receiver?
दासी दासी.
कौन सी विभक्ति
चतुर्थी.
देंगे?
चतुर्थी.
हाँ,
So दास्यै.
दास्यै पारितोषिकम दीयते.
ददाति.
No,
Oh, दीयते. Sorry, दीयते.
it is कर्मणि, right? So महिष्या तस्यै दास्यै पारितोषिकम दीयते. ओके, इफ यू डोंट मेक मिस्टेक देन मेरा क्या ही फायदा, मुझे लगेगा अरे आई एम यूजलेस. गुड यू. द
No,
बर्ड.
no, we.
हाँ,
So I wrote ekam puraskaram. Will that be incorrect? Paritoshikam, I couldn't think of the word, so I just put. I made the same dasi.
पुरस्कार इज पुल्लिंग, सो पुरस्कारः दीयते. एकः पुरस्कारः. एकम यू कैन नॉट से. एकम पुरस्कारम कैन नॉट बी.
Ekah puraskara. But if we use instead of paritoshaka, ekah puraskara.
दैट्स दैट्स फाइन. जितना हो सके उतना बुक में ही, मतलब बुक में से ही आप सर्च करिएगा, क्योंकि नए नए शब्द आपको मिलेंगे. यद्यपि वो फेमिलियर है पारितोषिकम पुरस्कार, तो भी इस बुक में जो आते हैं वो ट्राई करिएगा. द बर्ड्स
So,
राइजिंग
Yeah, but
अप.
still I don't have the hard copy of the book. So we have to back and forth on the screen.
अच्छा अच्छा,
तो-
नो वरीज. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू आर कमिंग, राइट?
Yep, that's why otherwise I want to buy online, but I was thinking I'm going. So
हाँ हाँ, that time you can take for प्रार्थना ji also.
yeah, sure,
Yes.
So,
sure, I will.
अच्छा, she has already taken na, she were here.
I have a copy. It's by a different author, but it's the same thing.
हाँ
So
No, but
I
like
think it's
when I scroll, excuse me, when I scroll in the last, they have all vocabulary together.
correct. So I actually opened two files. I have one where I am looking at the assignment, meaning it has all the sentences. Then I open another file on which I scroll, because otherwise it becomes very difficult to scroll. Na?
हाँ ना.
I do the same thing.
जब टाइम कम होता है ना, तो उसके बाद आई फॉरगेट दैट. जितना मुझे याद है उसी हिसाब से मैं बना लेती हूँ, कि नहीं तो छूट जाएंगे सारे. आधे तो उसके हिसाब से होते हैं, बट इफ आई डोंट हैव टाइम आई कांट शो विदाउट द सेंटेंसेस, तो उसमें गड़बड़ हो जाती है कभी कभी. सॉरी.
मेरा भी यही होता है. वो मीनिंग ढूंढने में ही ज्यादा वक्त लग जाता है.
ये उसके लिए हार्ड कॉपी अच्छा है.
तो हार्ड
Yep.
कॉपी है मेरे पास, लेकिन उसमें इतना छोटा फॉन्ट है, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ये देखिए, ओ ये लुक एट दिस, इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स
दैट्स नॉट विजिबल. यस,
I
वो
don't know if
ही
you
है,
can
वैसा ही है बुक, छोटा ही है वो.
tiny thing. अभी पता नहीं वो
अभी
नहीं हो पाती है नहीं ना. इतना
रिप्रिंट किया है उन्होंने.
दिक्कत होती है देखने में.
Okay. The bird rises up into the sky from the earth.
विहगः
हाँ.
पृथिव्याः आकाशे. So now I couldn't get the word. I just wrote utpatanti, but I don't think that's the correct word. Utpatanti.
उत्पतति. पतंति.
Okay.
Right.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question. ये राइस वाला जो हमने किया ना, राइस इज कुक्ड बाय नारायण's वाइफ.
हाँ.
तो उसमें हम ओदनम टेक्निकली इज कुक्ड राइस एंड तंडुलः और तंडुलाहा इज अनकुक्ड राइस. It matter if we are using odanam versus सह ओदनम खादति.
ओदनम. हम क्या पका रहे हैं? हम खिचड़ी पका रहे हैं. हम खिचड़ी पकाते हैं क्या कभी?
Okay, I see what you're saying.
वैसा ही प्रयोग है वो, जो
Okay.
मराठी में बोलते हैं, हिंदी में बोलते हैं, उन्होंने वैसा ही इंग्लिश में डाल दिया वहाँ.
Okay.
राइस मतलब कुक्ड राइस होता है हमेशा. एंड अच्छा, इंग्लिश में राइस राइस दोनों. राइस.
हाँ वही.
अच्छा, कुक्ड राइस मतलब खिचड़ी होगी या भात होगा, जो भी।
कुछ भी होगा, हाँ। तो पर ये संस्कृत में डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं ना, ओदनम और तंडुल, तो कोई फर्क पड़ता है? आप कैन यूज इंटरचेंजेबली।
तो वी कैन से तंडुलाः पच्यन्ते।
एक तंडुला, हाँ तंडुला।
Okay, now 2 more minutes. We cannot do next. I think if you have any questions regarding Vibhaktis or from this book, you can ask.
एक one more question I had.
Hmm.
In wise men go to heaven वाले में,
Hmm.
I didn't अधिगच्छन्ति, but will उत्पतन्ति work as a kriya, or is that incorrect?
Utpatati
Like,
kind of jump
okay,
to go up. Hmm.
okay. So अधिगच्छन्ति is the appropriate word when Buddha wise men are going to heaven from earth.
Going to heaven, adhigacchati means to obtain. So
So क्या लिख?
swargam avarohati athva
Oh,
adhigacchati is also fine because he actually obtains, right?
right.
Arohati. स्वर्गम आरोहति, स्वर्गम अधिगच्छति, स्वर्गम प्राप्नोति, अवाप्नोति, लभते। That would be good.
Okay. I think that is my.
Hmm. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में से आप एक बार करके रखिएगा। अगले क्लास में हम सेंटेंसेस एज वेल एज इंग्लिश वाला भी समाप्त हो पाएंगे तो अच्छा होगा। 15th month we are going to do. Yes. Then we'll do Purnamadaha. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम जी। या आप तब तक क्या करते रहिएगा, जितने भी शब्द है आपने जो याद किए हैं, चाहे वो राम, रमा, नदी, उमा, जो भी है, उनके अलावा आगे आने वाले पितृ, भगवत, जगत, वियत, मरु, पितृ, मातृ, नप्तृ, जितने भी क्या वैरायटी वाले शब्द है ना, वो यदि अभी अभी से याद करते हो तब जाके वो आगे का सिंपल होने वाला है। हमारी गाड़ी यही अटक रही है, तो आगे जा करके और डिफिकल्ट वर्ड आने वाले हैं। तो either I will give you few words for memorization. You can go through every day, and then
Yes.
slowly, it will help you to understand the meaning of sentence. And same, आपने जो भी क्रियापद याद करके रखे हैं, उनमें से एक परफेक्ट होना चाहिए परस्मै पद में से, जो एक है जैसा कि गच्छति।